Hello, my friends. I have some fun items to share with you today. So sit back, grab a Diet Coke or a coffee or whatever your drink of the day is, and join me for this fun adventure because I have a lot to share with you. First, we have a new stamp set, and it is called Words for Wreath. Now, it is perfect to go with our Wreath to Stamp and Die set, not to be confused with sayings for wreath. So there's two different word sayings. One is called sayings because it has more than words, and this one is words, called words because it's just words. And it has just a note, just because, winter, summer, spring, and autumn greetings, fall greetings, thanks, Easter greetings, lots of different options. Now, these can be used with the wreath or without, just a heads up. Now, I also have a new pudgie. Some of you are in love, a lot of you actually are in love with our pudgies. This is a pig pudgie, and the words say missing you pig time, and it says go hog wild, hogs and kisses, don't be a piggy. And the samples I have to share with you, you're gonna definitely need this stamp set. Now, this stamp and die set I mainly designed for Kristen from our design team. Hi, Kristen. Kristen has been begging me for years for a leprechaun. Well, guess what, Kristen? It is now time for you to have your leprechaun. Of course, there are dies that match. And so we have our little cute little leprechaun with our gold, a pot of gold, and two little horseshoes, and a little gold coin. And it says, Happy St. Patty's Day. I'm feeling lucky today. And hello, my friend, and believe you are lucky. These go perfectly, absolutely perfectly with our rainbow to stamp stamp and die set. And I have amazing samples to share with you. Are you ready? I hope you're sitting down because these are awesome. First, let's do our wreath greetings. So here we have autumn greetings. Here we have fall greetings. All these fall all of a sudden. Look, they all picked fall. Isn't that funny? Fall greetings, fall greetings. But we could have said spring, or we could have said summer, or we could have said autumn. Here's another autumn greetings. Now let's look at our piggies. We have a cute little piggy there. This little piggy went to the market. That's what it totally makes me want to say. Look at him, open him up, go hog wild. Ooh, here's a gray piggy. That's cute, hogs and kisses. Here's one, missing you pig time. Oh, this one's cute with our sheep pudgie. Thinking of you, open it up, missing you pig time. This is my all-time favorite for the piggies. Who wins this one? Catherine, look at that. Oh, isn't that awesome? With the apples from the wheelbarrow stamp set with our barn folded die and our little sun. Isn't that too cute for words? I love that. And he's holding the little apple. Don't be a piggy. Oh, although this one's pretty awesome too, Leslie. Look at this cute little box card. Remember, they fold flat for mailing. You open it up and there it is, missing you pig time. I love it. Now, let's look at our leprechaun, luck of the Irish. Here we go. Here is an amazing, and I'm very concerned I'm not going to be able to open it. Oh, look, it's I wish we could, oh gosh. But look at how fun this is. Banner dies are always so fun. So it says, I'm Irish. Oh, there's two. Oh, that helps. So look. So, and you'll see that, you can see it up close in the gallery. So it says, I'm Irish, the first one. And let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. This one is going to go on the top above it. It's going to say, kiss me. And then it's going to say, I'm Irish. Isn't that awesome if you're having a St. Patty's Day get together? Now let's look at our card samples. Here's a box card sample. Open it up. Look at that. Oh, isn't that fun? Box cards are our most popular die set with that gorgeous rainbow in the background. Here's a cute one with our rainbow paper in the background. Happy St. Patty's Day. Oh, look at that. There's that pot of gold. There's that pot of gold. Ooh, a shadow box. Are you ready for this? Look at that. Shadow box, which is fun because they lay flat for mailing. They fold flat for mailing, and you open it up and there's your cute little leprechaun. Oh, that rainbow. I am loving that rainbow. And with that leprechaun in the pot of gold. Look how cute he is. He just looks like he's sassy. Does he look sassy? I think it's so funny. I think it's cute. Oh, hello, my friend, using the horse and the horseshoe. I like that. Hello, my friend, believe you are lucky. Here's one, believe you are lucky. Open it up. And it's a pop-up using our generic pop-up. Isn't that fun? And she even added, you are lucky. And you're going to open this up. And it's the rainbow on that generic. Isn't that fantastic? That just a generic pop-up, you're just gonna run it through your die cut machine and just add those pieces right on top of it. And that really pops up. I love that. Ooh, and here's one with our stitched rectangles. If you have not picked up the stitched rectangles, it's a must-have. But look at how cute that is. Believe you are lucky. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these. And if you're feeling lucky, dun 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 dun, how many of you have checked your club shipments? We're now sending out golden tickets. Every like certain amount, we don't say how many we send out, but it's like Willy Wonka, right? With the golden tickets. Open your club shipments to see if you have a golden ticket in it. If you do, you will have an amount that your golden ticket is good for and a gift certificate code to use on our website. Isn't that exciting? And it just says, thank you for being a club member. To redeem your gift certificate, visit our website. Golden ticket, and if you get one in your shipment, it will have a special code on it. So go open up your club shipments and see if you've won. If you're not in the club, another reason to join. And discounts and freebies and goodies and lots of yummies. So make sure you check it out. The club starts as little as $11.95 a month, and that includes a new stamp set each month. Oh, isn't that awesome? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.